Hi everybody, this is Ian Lamont from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'll be explaining the difference between 30-year fixed and 15-year fixed mortgages and how they can impact your monthly payments. This is a very basic general guide. Please be careful when you are getting a mortgage. Try to understand the fees and other requirements of the mortgage because there's a lot of fine print that I'm not going to get into right here, but you should be aware of when you're getting your own mortgage. So here is Google's mortgage calculator. It's actually pretty good. It lets me compare how much a $500,000 mortgage, that's a loan, at 7% interest, what my monthly payments will be. This is a very simplified example. I'm not including things like taxes and fees. So it's just $500,000, 7%, 30-year fixed. And incidentally, this is approximately what interest rates are for 30-year fixed loans. It varies from company to company, but as I said before, there's lots of fine print. Be sure that you understand all the extra costs and maybe some other conditions that go along with the interest rate that they're charging. So usually when you go from a 30-year fixed to a 15-year fixed, what happens is you're paying more money each month, but usually you're getting a lesser interest rate. And that's one reason people like to get these 15-year fixed loans is because their interest rate goes down. But they have to make bigger monthly payments because it's a shorter period of time. So $500,000 15-year fixed, 7%, you'd be paying about $4,500. But usually the rate drops quite a bit. So let's say it goes down to 5%. And you can see it lops off more than $500 from the monthly payment. Okay, so let's go back again to 30-year fixed, 7%, $3,327. If you drop that 15-year fixed to 5%, it's more money every month, but actually you're paying far less in interest, and also the mortgage will be paid off in a shorter period of time. This is Ian Lamont from In 30 Minutes Guides. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Also, if you go to in30minutes.com, you can see all of the books we have on various mildly complicated topics, including Social Security, personal finance, crowdfunding, genealogy, Google, all kinds of stuff. And we're really trying to break down these mildly complex topics into something that everybody can understand. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.